So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet here. A little bit of privacy. There you go. So this is the Weiwei faucet. It's in the oil red bronze. Very nice color. It looks almost like a matte black, but very nice. Kind of matches the dark color scheme of the kitchen. Down here, we just took things apart. You know, this is all your existing plumbing, hot and cold water lines, of course. That T is already installed. So just that little tag, you see hot water ties in, cold water ties in. The only conflicts that we found down here, which we typically do, they put your sewer line right in the center of the cabinet, which is where the hose hangs. And of course, they got your cold water line center of cabinet. And so there's just a little bit of a conflict with this weight right there. The ideal point of connection is a little bit lower, but if we put it lower, then every time you pull on it, it catches on this large 1.5-inch drain line. Put it up above it so that it doesn't catch, but also you can see the cold water line. It kind of bumps it on the way through. Not real bad, but that's ideal spot. So it gives you quite a bit of play with the hose up there. That's in a good spot. We've checked everything here for leaking. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.